Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap 3D printers under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to get started with 3D printing or want to upgrade your current setup without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the portable 3D printer from Generic. This compact FDM 3D printer is designed for beginners, students, and hobbyists who want to explore 3D printing without taking up too much space. Its small footprint, measuring only 155 by 175 by 210 millimeters, makes it ideal for tight workspaces like dorm rooms or desktops. Despite its size, it offers versatile filament compatibility, supporting both PLA and TPU filaments, so you can experiment with different materials. Design-wise, the printer features a removable build plate and a sturdy yet lightweight frame that's easy to move around. Its FDM printing technology ensures stable and precise prints, with a maximum build volume of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters. It's also user-friendly, boasting compatibility with well-known slicers like EasyWare and Cura, and it works seamlessly with both Windows and iOS systems. However, the lack of Wi-Fi connectivity and reliance on a TF card for operation might feel limiting. While this printer is a great entry-level option, it does have its drawbacks. Print speeds are capped at 40 millimeters per second, and the overall build quality, while adequate, might not withstand heavy usage. Its 2.9-star rating reflects some concerns about reliability and ease of use. That said, if you're a beginner looking for a low-cost, compact option to dip your toes into 3D printing, this could be a good choice. At number 4, we have the K10 Small Entry-Level Portable 3D Printer by EasyThreed. Designed with beginners and kids in mind, this is a no-frills option for those just starting their 3D printing journey. Its compact size and portable design make it suitable for desks, classrooms, or even home projects. With a build volume of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters, it's perfect for small, simple prints. The K10 stands out for its open-source compatibility, allowing you to customize hardware and software as you gain more experience. It supports popular slicers like Cura and Orca, and the included TF card comes preloaded with helpful guides and profiles. However, leveling the build plate can be tricky if you're inexperienced. An improper setup may lead to failed prints. While it's a great learning tool, it does require patience and attention to detail. With a 3.1-star rating, the K10 has mixed reviews. Some users appreciate the affordability and ease of use, while others find the build quality and print consistency lacking. It's best suited for absolute beginners or hobbyists who want a low-cost way to experiment with 3D printing. The included 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support add peace of mind, making it a decent option for first-time users. Coming in at number 3 is the Creality Halot R6 Resin 3D Printer. This printer is packed with features tailored for beginners, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore resin printing. With its compact design and lightweight build, the Halot R6 saves space while delivering high-precision prints, thanks to its 2K LCD monochrome screen and advanced integral light source. These features ensure consistent curing across every layer, resulting in smoother, more detailed models. What sets this printer apart is its ease of use. It includes a built-in boot guide for quick setup, and the Halot Box software simplifies the slicing and printing process with one-click operations. It's also compatible with the Creality Cloud app, where users can access a library of models and enjoy remote monitoring. However, the Halot R6 is not without its limitations. It's more expensive than FDM options. And the resin printing process can be messier and require more post-processing. With a 4.4-star rating, the Halot R6 has garnered praise for its print quality and beginner-friendly setup. It's ideal for hobbyists or anyone interested in detailed figurines and intricate models. If you're willing to invest in resin printing and want a user-friendly introduction, the Halot R6 is a strong contender. At number 2, we have the official Creality Ender 3 3D printer. Known as one of the most popular budget 3D printers on the market, the Ender 3 is a versatile FDM printer that's perfect for hobbyists and students. It features a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, giving you plenty of room for creative projects. The resume printing function is a standout feature, ensuring your prints continue seamlessly after power outages. This printer is a DIY kit, meaning you'll need about 2 hours to assemble it. While this may seem daunting, it's a great way to familiarize yourself with the machine's components and functionality. The Ender 3 also boasts an upgraded extruder that reduces the risk of clogs and poor extrusion, along with a durable V-shaped wheel design for smoother motion. However, it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity and relies on SD cards or a computer connection for printing. With a 4.1-star rating, the Ender 3 remains a favorite among budget-conscious users. It's reliable, customizable, and offers excellent value for its price. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, the Ender 3 is a fantastic choice for a wide range of projects. Finally, at number 1, we have the Canon PIXMA MG3620 wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. While technically not a 3D printer, its inclusion in this lineup highlights its versatility as a budget-friendly device for creative projects. Priced at just $54, it's a compact and efficient all-in-one printer that handles printing, scanning, and copying with ease. The wireless connectivity allows you to print directly from your smartphone or tablet, making it incredibly convenient. The design is sleek and space-saving, with a 100-sheet capacity and automatic two-sided printing to reduce paper usage. It's ENERGY STAR certified, ensuring eco-friendly operation. While it doesn't offer the 3D capabilities of the other products on this list, its affordability and multifunctionality make it a great addition to any home office or creative workspace. With a 3.9-star rating, the Canon PIXMA MG3620 is praised for its simplicity and reliability. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a low-cost solution to handle everyday printing tasks. If you're more focused on 2D printing but need a dependable, budget-friendly option, the Canon PIXMA MG3620 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the best cheap 3D printer for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.